fries. Walang set-set.
Wala set.
I'll order spicy chicken.
Smack share box kani.
Para, pwede na na.
4-4?
Yeah.
Oo. Ano, for 4.
Wala may spaghetti ani.
That's okay.
Asa?
735.
Ah, so okay na din yun kung isa-isa. Sa isa mo na lang, bisa gusto natin.
Yes, Yes, ang gusto.
For me, I just want the normal one.
So what?
Jollibee.
Kayo lang dara ha.
Okay, daddy. Okay, daddy. What's your drink?
Juice. Like,
Ang sige.
Daddy as well is like that. But then there's a french fries ha.
What's your drink? Kani pa diha?
Oh, then french
Coke
fries.
regular. Let's order.
Si daddy chicken.
But normal chicken, not spicy. With french fries here.
Wait, that's no? That's on daddy oh.
Original.
Original. Then ask this one ako ah. Nice spaghetti ako ah.
Sprite or Coke kay daddy? Ikaw.
Paning meals oh, ano na.
Spicy?
Oh, sige, spicy. Nice spaghetti ka na. Ang nice spaghetti makplot, dara-dara.
Asa?
Asa
Sige
mo na
mga
isa?
small, medium, large.
Ay, small lang ako.
Tapos,
Orat ako ah.
drinks or soft drinks? Soft drinks or juice?
Sprite, Coke Zero, Coke Large,
Ano ba?
Coke Regular. Kani. Okay, yours na.
504 ako na lang.
Nara ang payas.